Today, let's talk about future staff requirements in Japan. Rote learning is the standard educational approach in Japan. In the internet and AI age, when anything you want to know can be found through a search algorithm, how relevant is rote learning for the future? Today, companies aren't training their staff as comprehensively as they once did. We all know we need more innovation and creativity in companies. Where is this going to come from? Also, young people who will be in short supply due to demographic changes will become like baseball free agents. They will rapidly discover they are able to swap teams for a better deal. Our staff will find themselves being lured by recruiters to move to greener pastures. Are we thinking about these prospects? If we haven't spared a thought for this grim future of work, then now is a good time to take another look at assumptions, strategies, plans, and targets. Those preparing now will win in this coming war for talent. Game on.